guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, we will be reacting to another video and I'm very excited for this one. So without further ado, we will be reacting to MAJIK, Sora, wa Marude, the first take. So I really don't have clue what is this. So I'm very excited for this one. So without further ado, we will start. So let's go and let's start. The first take. There you go.
Oh. All right, whenever you're ready. All right, let's rock it.
Here we go.
Sora wa marude kimi no you ni aoku sunde doko made mo yagate boku ra e kakidashita ashita edo ashiridasu tabidatsu kedo looking in the rearview mirror I've got your heels squishy like a clearer I know with you subete ga hirogatte yuku all we need is just a little more time nagareteru kara every day look at yourself and smile hoping things will go your way tashukana koto nado nanimo
Wait. When I hear it, I'm like, wow, I love this. It sounds so good.
We ended parted, but now your life is started. We met at the shop and still had something in common. So stay wakaru. I'm hoping everything's fun. 季節がめくるよ。互いに過ごした日々があるから。I'm happy at the time of stay. Letting it back to Jack, chilling and bringing it back to Jack. 確かなことなど何も誰にもわからないから。どんなことが起こるだろう手をつないで空はまるで君のように青く澄んでどこまでもやがて僕らへ書き出した明日へと走り出す
I totally love this. It's an amazing song.
Every day I wake up thinking of you. You make it all clear to me what I want to do. Leave it up to you. Always knew you'd make it somewhere. You push it for the top. You never can stop. Enjoy the ride. I could see now I'll always be there for you. So make every moment true. 'Cause we all grow up and our time is running out. We could keep our youth. That's what life's all about. And maybe you'll fall in love. Or maybe you'll got till then. 気持ちを遮れずに Yeah, yeah. それはまるで涙のように溢れ出すよいつまでも出会った日の喜びも
It was good. It felt good. The first take. So that is the end. OMG. I totally love this. I love the song. I love their voice. The lyrics of the song is beautiful. And I really enjoyed watching this. So that is my reaction for this video. And before I forget, if you are new to my channel, please consider subscribing. Hit the notification bell so you will be notified if I have new video. And if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. If you have some comments, some suggestions, just comment down below. I'm reading all your comments. So that's all for now. Thank you so much, and see you in my next video. Bye bye and take care.